My name is Shreyan Dara. I'm 18 years old, and I would like to ask you, all of you, would you want your students to go to an IIT? How many of you would want that? How many of you would want आपके बच्चे IIT में जाए, जो आपके यहाँ पे सीख रहे? Yeah, absolutely. That's what we want. Next. Yeah. How many of you would love it if your students get a high-paying job? Yeah? Yeah, absolutely. So even I thought that students' dreams would be something like this, only getting a high-paying job or getting going into an IIT. But what I did was, I went to a school and I told them that whatever your dream is, I'll make it true. Just give me your dreams. So this is a bag full of 600 dreams, where students have written down what they would have wanted to achieve. So now I'm going to just showcase a few of the dreams that really made me laugh. So this is Tejas ji. She's in 4A, and her dream is, I want a dog or a sister. Then this is Naman. His dream is, I want 5 blue and 5 black Trimax pens, 1 Mustang GT car, and I want to be an IAS officer. Okay, this is a very interesting one. She's in 10A. He's in 10A. Shlok Gunjay. I want to be a successful automobile manufacturer. This one is Shivansh, where he says, I want my parents to trust that I can be the richest man and businessman in the world. I want to become a successful Bollywood actor and to meet Harry Potter cast and glass animals with Ricky David 10D. I want myself in my own spaceship, having fun with my family beyond all things for a few moments. This is the class is not mentioned. Yeah. This is class 9. I need my Canada visa. Okay. And this is a long list of class 12. I want a big office. I want best of people around me. I want to meet Bill Gates and Ratan Tata. I want to move out of India, work at Wall Street, and I want to create something. That's interesting. So this was in Exceller World School, and the student said, now I want to buy the school.
Wow.
Interesting. And this is again a very long list. A Lamborghini, a Ninja bike, a dream which is an army man, and if you skip through, I want to wear it, and I want a happy family. Right? It's a child's dream. So, out of the 11 crore kids in one standard in this entire education system, only 1% of them, the dream is to get a good paid job and or go into an IIT. What we train them for. Whereas there are so many others of them who have different passions, different interests. Like all of these are not even one is the same. Each and every child's dream is unique. I have read each and every one of them. And if you would want, you can even read it afterwards. So this was what really, it awakened my mind. It was like, if we all are trained in the same way, but all of our needs and desires and wants and dreams are different, how will we achieve it? How will our schools achieve it? And even I had a dream, like any other kid, was to go to an IIT. Last week, I went to IIT Madras, not as a student, but as a speaker. So there are different ways to achieve the same dream. I had a dream of going on Shark Tank, not the American one, which I couldn't do till now, but at least Shark Tank India we went on and we got funded itself from Piyush Bansal and Vinita Singh. So my name is Shreyan Dara, as I said earlier. I'm 18 years old. I'm a high school dropout. After 10th I didn't continue. And I am here. My dream is to achieve 1 billion dreams. To achieve 1 billion kids' dreams. I want to do that. And I'll tell you the reason. When I was in the 4th grade, I was a backbencher. Okay, my first dream was कि मुझे खुद का टिफिन बॉक्स के लिए सामान खरीदना है. Because my nani used to give all paratha and roti. I had a small dream, I want to buy chips. So then I learned how to, I was anyways making paintings, I learned how to sell those paintings online. I learned how to code and sold my first painting online. So that's how I earned 9,000 rupees, and then for the full year, I was getting my own tiffin box, what I wanted. Second dream that I had was that I want to buy my own cycle. So whatever money I earned from selling paintings, I learned how to invest in the stock market in the 7th grade. And I made a 200% return, and then I bought my own cycle. Then 9th grade, I started giving loans in my school at 45% interest in the school canteen. And my principal suspended me for that because I was doing business activities in school. So but then again from there I earned some money. When I was in the 10th grade, I was inspired by the history textbook. There's a story of Gautam Buddha. So I read the story and I decided I want to take all my belongings and leave home. So I took all my belongings and, inspired by Gautam Buddha of leaving all materialistic things behind, I walked away. So I gave my wallet, then my slippers, and when I gave my cycle to this child who was underprivileged, his t-shirt was torn, so he took the cycle. And he smiled so wide that you could see his crooked teeth. And he said, "Bhaiya, mera sapna pura ho gaya." Okay. And from there, they would start getting the confidence to dream a bit bigger once one dream is achieved. So that is when I decided that I want to achieve 1 billion dreams. So OLL is a culmination of this 1 billion dreams, where we are setting up a simple dreams lab concept where I will come, I'll speak to your students and maybe just collect a few dreams, collect the dreams, and the kids, they kind of relate with me, they really enjoy having fun with me because I don't speak to them as a speaker, I speak to them as a bhaiya, a friend, an elder brother. So then they really relate and they share their dreams, otherwise they would not have shared it with you also. So that's one thing, and sometimes it's very relatable, so they, like a security guard had to remove me from a school once because the kids were so inspired. Second thing what we do is, we collect these dreams, okay, and as you all know, there are these locks and bridges in Europe and mandirs where we tie our wishes. So in school, we set up a small location where, the kids can come, just tie their dreams, what they want to achieve. And every day, just once, they can come and view it whenever they're free, in the break time, in the lunch time. It's a spot for them that they really wish they had. And we will share a map with you, a dreams map, where these are the common dreams that your kids have. These are the kind of implementation plan which you can get for your schools to achieve your children's dreams. It's something that it will definitely make your school stand apart. That imagine having the world's first dreams lab in your school. It's something very, very different. So, and the last thing is, how do we convert these dreams into actual achievement? If the child wants to get a pen, then how do we make the child capable enough to earn money to buy their own pen? So then we give you actions points where someone who has achieved the dream. So example, if I want to be an IAS officer, someone who is an IAS officer will give a path to the child that these are the steps that you can take to achieve the dream. And that is something that we really want to help kids. They will give a few milestone tasks. Ultimately, the kid will achieve their dream in a simulation, get a recommendation letter, and that would be an achievement for the kid. So before I end, I would wish if all of us can also dream for 20 seconds, because I feel बच्चों का तो सुन लेते हैं, but now let's listen from your principals. I have shared a brochure with you all, but over that there is a dream where you can add your own dream. So if you all can open that, tear out the paper, if you can just share.